Hey credit cousins, it's the new year and I've been getting some questions on the unlimited Apple credit card limit hack. Many of you want to know if it's still working in 2022. So keep watching to learn the unlimited Apple credit card limit hack and if it's still working in 2022. So first, before we get into the credit limit hack, let's go over what is the Apple credit card if you don't know what it is. It's an Apple credit card. It's a credit card created by Apple and is issued by Goldman Sachs. This credit card is primarily to be used with Apple Pay on Apple devices such as iPhones, iPads, Apple Watch, or a Mac. When applying, it will be a hard pull from TransUnion, and this credit card now reports to all three credit bureaus. That includes Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. The recommended credit score for this credit card is a minimum of 650 to apply, and it's best to not have any negative or derogatory marks on your credit card when applying for this credit card. So a few tips that have changed from the previous video mentioned last year about the credit hack. Based on the video and people comments, I was able to measure that 50% were approved for the credit limit increase on the same day they applied for the credit card, and 50% weren't approved for the credit limit increases on the same day when they applied and got approved for the credit card. So I'm just going to recommend that you may have to hold your Apple credit card for at least 30 days before doing this credit limit increase hack, just to be on the safe side of things. So in order to do the unlimited credit limit increase each month, you will first need to do 20 plus transactions within 1 month. This could be 20 items at the 99-cent store, or if you know you're going to do 20 transactions in a month but you don't have it on your Apple credit card, you may want to switch to using the Apple credit card for that month. I recommend that if you do have kids, you can always use your Apple credit card for Roblox, Apple Songs, 99-cent apps on your phone, whatever your kids like to do on your phone. You may want to basically switch to the Apple credit card to get those 20 transactions in. Please do not do 20 transactions on expensive items. It does not matter the dollar amount, it's only the transaction amount that we care about for this credit hack, so keep your spending low. Once you have reached your 20 transactions, wait until your statement day has passed and pay off the balance. Once the balance has been paid and reported onto your credit card, then you can go apply for the credit limit increase within the app. You can do this every month to get a credit limit increase, but I do recommend waiting the initial 30 days once you're approved to try this hack. Also, this hack is no hard pull inquiry if you do within the app. I will leave the hack video that I made last year with all of the people's success stories below, and it has the instructions on how to apply for a credit limit increase through the app. Make sure to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, credit cousins. Bye. Hey credit cousins, if you are looking to remove those negative, nasty things off your credit report, you are in luck today. I have tons of resources for you to increase your credit score in deleting negative hard inquiries within 24 hours, late payments, charge-offs, in collections, building business credit like a boss, and so much more. Many of my credit cousins have used our resources and received amazing results. And now it's your turn. Right now, I'm offering 50% off everything online. Make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comments below to get your discount now.